Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Montclair Heights is a middle-income residential neighborhood, ranking among some of the most desirable neighborhoods of Maine, Clarendon. The demand for properties in this area is usually high due to the large land space and its close proximity to the town of Maine. This particular building is one of a classical bungalow type architecture. It consists of two self-contained units, one of which consists of a large open concept living and dining area with a separate kitchen, two bedrooms and a bathroom, while the other unit contains a kitchen, two bedrooms and a bathroom. If you are a civil servant that needs an extra income while being employed in the town of Maine, this would be the ideal location for you and your family. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.